Hey everyone, welcome back to Salt Life Builds. My name is Drew, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created a simple mallet for beginners. Now, I'm a beginner myself when it comes to woodworking. Even though I slipped up a couple times, found this project to be a lot of fun, and it also really helped me with some simple skills. I'm learning, and that's all it's about. If you want the dimensions for the mallet, I left them in the description below. If you're new or experienced, I'm really glad you're here, and I hope you enjoy it.